Hey, what's up, YouTube? If you want to see how I achieved this look, go ahead and stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? This is Unique here with another hair tutorial, and today's hair tutorial is going to be about how I got these Gypsy Locs, Faux Locs, whatever you want to call them, fantasy locks, mermaid locks. I don't know, I've heard all the different names, but this was really inspired by True Vanity on Instagram, and also I first saw her pictures on Pinterest, and when I saw it on Pinterest it was tagged with her name on it, so I went and looked at some of the pictures. But yeah, this was inspired by that, and I decided to try it out for my Vegas look. Now I will say this, I have done the Gypsy Locs before, and I'll put that video in the description box below. This one is basically, honestly, it's the same exact thing except for the hair is a little bit different. Other than that, it's just about the same. And then I'm basically going to show you all how I did the decorating of the faux locs. That's pretty much it. Yeah, so I'm gonna let y'all jump right into the video. Okay, y'all, these are all the hair packs that I use. I use a lot of Freetress hair, and all of that will be in the description box below as the color and how many bags of hair that I actually had. Okay, in the front I started off with 14 braids, and in the back I have a total of 7 braids. So this is very similar to, extremely similar to the Gypsy Loc video that I previously did, which will also be in the description box below. With this look, I did not have a specific order as to what hair strands I was grabbing. I just randomly grabbed hair strands and went about doing that. And I only knot my hair one time, and my front is almost finished. There are some beads on the front, and I'm going to show you how I put those on later on in the video. But this is basically the same exact way that I always do my crochets. I randomly picked different strands to put into the hair, and then in the front I went through the front of the braid and off to the side when it came to putting the crochets in, and knotting only one time. I only knot my hair one time. Alright, now that the front is full, we're going to go ahead and head to the back of the hair. The front is completely full. I am done with the front. I'm going to put this in the ponytail and show you all the back of my head. Now again, the back of my head I have 7 braids total. And I do this the same exact way as I do the front of my head. I just put the I just randomly select different faux locs and put them in. Now for this look, I will say that I did use the longer length, which is listed in the description box below, the 16-inch. I used that on the bottom row all the way across. I don't know why, I just decided to do it that way. I don't know. But yeah, everything else is randomly put through the hair. Now the back is completely full, and that goes for the wavy hair too that I had, that is randomly put in. Okay, now that we're finished with the first part of the hair, we're going to jump to the decorations. Now y'all know, every video I stop the video and I be like, did you subscribe? Homie, hum girl. Like, we are family. My subscribers already know we are family. Like, they already subscribed, and I appreciate y'all for subscribing. If you ain't subscribed, I don't know what you waiting on. go ahead and hit the button, subscribe to the channel, and do me a favor. This link to this channel will be in the description box below. This is from SHYTBEHAPPENING TV. It's a project that I was a part of and I'm very proud of. Y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a preview.
Bitch, you stabbed me!
You needed to be stabbed. Now I need a fucking radio. Hello?
I thought I picked the kids up on Wednesdays. Oh.
Damn school. The fuck you mean? So David, how don't you know today is Wednesday?
Bitch, keep your goddamn hands off of me. You gonna stop putting your hands on me. All my brothers gonna be over here.
I'm gonna focus on the funny, bitch!
Keep focusing.
It was a day trip. What the fuck?
Day trip? I've heard of a day party, but I ain't never heard of no day trip.
Y'all, I am telling you, the show is funny as shit. Like, you will not regret it. Make sure you check it out. After you finish the full video of this will be in the description box below. Go head over to SHYTBEHAPPENING TV and tell them that Unique sent you, okay? Y'all go watch it out, go check it. It's near and dear to my heart, and it's not a waste of y'all time. It's some funny shit, you know, it really is. And I'll let y'all get back to the video. So with my decorations, I used yarn that I got from Joann's some years ago. You can use yarn to do this, and pretty much what you're going to do is you're just going to measure it out. I had no specific length, and what you do is you just knot it on the hair and then you twist it. Now in order to hold the ends, you can knot it again, or what I like to use is some glue that I got from the Dollar Tree to secure it onto the faux lock. And the glue did not leave any type of white residue or anything like that on there. And I randomly selected here. I had no set definition on how I wanted to do this. I will say that you could also pre-decorate your strands if you want to, you know, before you start installing the hair. That way it's easier, and that way you have more in the back, you know, as far as decorations go, because I really didn't have a lot in the back of my head. It was more towards the front. And that goes for the same as the gold string. Pretty much what I did was I just folded that multiple times to make it thicker, you know, because sometimes the string or the yarn, I should say, is very thin. So you can just fold it multiple times to make it thicker, to make a, you know, a different look. And you can glue this, you know, halfway through or at the end, whichever way you prefer. I did mine. I was testing it out each time I did it. So on the first one, I only glued it. I knotted it at the top and then glued it towards the bottom. This one, I knotted it at the top and then I glued it in the middle of the way. I glued it midway. All right, y'all. Now let's put on these beads. With the beads, you want to make sure that the barrel of the beads is very open. You know, it's a big hole in the beads. With the beads, where I got the beads from, I actually had these beads for years because I used to make jewelry. So I've had these beads for years. So the best thing to do is to put the bead on the crochet needle itself, and then then hook the hair and feed the hair through the actual beads. Now when you're doing this, if your hair is thick and the barrels are also wide but not extremely wide to the point where it has a whole bunch of space, you are going to have to pull those through. Now when you do those, I recommend you putting the beads on kind of the straighter strands instead of the curly, because when you're pulling it through, it will basically unravel the curl. So like the wavy ones would be straight at the end. So that's why I use the straighter strands to do my beads. Now with the beads, I also did knot them at the ends. If I did not knot them, I used the glue. Like I said, when I was doing this, I was trying out this hairstyle and I was trying out my options to see which one worked better. But both of them worked. I could have put glue on the end of the bead, or I can just knot the hair. And when you knot the hair, you really can't see it anyway. And with this here, you're gonna see that I put 3 beads on the needle at one time and fed them all through at one time. You can do that as well. And you can see right there where I twisted it a little hard, that I was trying to make sure that the opening was wide. And I'll put a link in the description box below of some beads that you could possibly order from either Amazon or go to Joann's and get. And that gold thick piece that you see is the same gold yarn that I used on the other side. I just doubled it up a couple of times and then put it on. Alright, now that that's done, I decided to add some jewels. And those are what you call jump rings. And you can also get these from your local craft store, Michael's, Joann. You're doing too much now, girl. Just stop. You're doing too much. That's good enough. Now we're gonna go ahead and get with these edges, honey. You all know that I always use She Is Bomb Edge Control. Don't be afraid to use that product, and make sure you have a comb and a toothbrush. The comb just like it just sets it in place. And when you use the toothbrush after, it just like, I don't know, y'all. It just like seals the deal for me. Like I said, make sure you all go check out Shit Be Happening TV, and also you all make sure that you check out the description box below for the previous Gypsy Loc video that I did. It has a little bit more explanation in it, a little bit more explaining in it, and those will both be in the description box. And also a link at the very end of this video will be posted for both Shit Be Happening and the previous Gypsy Loc video. Alright, y'all, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope I provided all the information. If I did not, if you have any questions, please leave them down below. Give this video a thumbs up, share it. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to check out, I'm getting tongue tied. Don't forget to check out Shit Be Happening TV. The link is below for the co-parents, okay? Co-parents is the shit, y'all. Make sure y'all go check that out. And again, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, I still don't know what you're waiting on. You make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you subscribe to Shit Be Happening to hit the next episode. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.